Hey guys, last week I got a couple messages, emails, and such saying that they were really confused about this class. So I want to try to make this as clear as I possibly can of what I expect. So if you're looking at your Schoology page, it should look something like this, give or take a few links. But going in every week, I post a folder and it's labeled by the dates and it's labeled by what number week we're on. So this says week 4. If I click on that, it'll have any documents that you will need for the week -1. First document is week 4 check-in. I want you to read this every week. I try to keep it short. It gets shorter every week because I expect that you've been reading the past ones. And so I try not to repeat information too many times because then you just have to read it over and over again. So, week 4 check-in, it'll have some information. I have a couple questions. Those are really just for me to see that you read it. This week I had a survey, so I didn't have any questions because you were filling out a survey. The other thing that I will have is a choice board assignment. You click on that, and this is where you are going to submit. If you submitted something anywhere other than here, I just want you to type on a document what you did and where you submitted it. That way I can find it, because this is the only thing that gives me a notification that you did homework, and it's hard for me to keep track of unless I have something submitted here. So for example, there is a Google Drive folder that has videos in it. If you submit a video to that, just type on a document, submitted video for this assignment, describe what assignment it is. I submitted a video for favorite recipe assignments in Google Drive. Something as simple as that, just so I can find it so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle. Then plopping back. If you are wondering what I'm talking about, if I say choice board, choose your own adventure board, bingo card, any of that, I'm talking about this board right here. And in this board, you have numerous choices that you can choose from. Basically, what it is there's a category, there is a activity title that is a hyperlink, and a basic description. So like clean out your fridge, help around the home and clean out your fridge. And then if you click on that, it'll bring you to a Google Doc. And what you're going to do is you are going to make a copy of this document. Because, well, one, I can type on it because it's my document, but you guys can't type on it. So you have to make a copy to be able to type on it. If you're on a computer, that's how you do it. If you are on a iPad, there is a different video that shows how to make a copy of a document. So there's that. So you just have to do one of these per week. You don't have to make sure that you hit up every category. You can, whatever you want, just do one thing per week and have fun with it. This isn't supposed to be a stressful class, so if it is a stressful class, shoot me a message, and we'll work something out. Because I don't want this to be something you spend 3 to 4 hours a week on unless you're really into it and want to spend 3 or 4 hours a week on it. This isn't a class that I want you crying over or anything of that sort. So if you are stressed out, just let me know and we'll work together. But that is basically what I'm expecting out of the class. One of these per week. That is all. Have a great day. I miss you. Whoa, that was an interesting. Huh. That was an interesting button. But I miss you guys. I miss all of you. I hope you have a super fantabulous week, and I will see you eventually. Unfortunately, not this year, but I will see you eventually.